In this video, you will learn how to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut Video Editor.
First of all, we will import our video in CapCut. After importing the video to CapCut, select your video on the timeline and then tap on the animation option in the menu. Select in order to add the fade-in effect. Set the duration of the fade-in effect. Repeat the same process for the fade out effect. Now let me show you the final result. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.